everyone, it's Air Day. I'll be showing you how I maintain my hair. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly like, share, and subscribe. So, first of all, I'll start by wetting my hair with a conditioner and lot of water, which makes it easier to detangle and easier to comb. So as you can see, I'll be taking a smaller comb to detangle my hair. I prefer using a smaller comb to detangle hair because I can, go deep into the scalp and bring it out from the root. So then use a bigger comb, to comb it out, to stretch everything out. And I tell you guys, doing this method, it doesn't break, it doesn't cut off, or it doesn't fall off my. I've been doing it for more than 5 months, and I tell you guys, this is the best method of your virgin hair. So as you can see guys, this is the result. So this is product I'll be applying today. Tip top, I'll be writing the product name on my description. So this is the first wash, as you can see. So the first wash, I just all the shampoo to get in my scalp and to release out the dirty. You need to see how my hair was dirty, guys. So I just do a quick rinsing. I use out the first shampoo that I applied earlier. Then we go into our second wash. So this second wash is my favorite part because this is where the hair gets foamy, and when it's foamy, it's easier to scrub and massage all through my scalp. So I just keep on scrubbing and making sure that my is properly scrubbed well. So this is the part where I rinse out the shampoo, and I'm just making sure the shoes are all gone because next up is our conditioner. So I add my conditioner. I use my hands to stretch out my hair. I'm making sure that the conditioner gets into my scalp because the product has this menthol in it, so I like it when it reaches my scalp. And so this is where I use my comb to comb my out with the conditioner on my hair. So it's the best when you have a virgin hair is to apply your conditioner and comb through, because that is how to have a very strong virgin hair for your hair not to break or fall. So I just rinse it out dry. Now time for my leave-in conditioner and my shea butter. So I love making use of these two because it softens my hair. I really have a very dry scalp, so making use of my shea butter makes my scalp a little oily, and I love using Mediana products for my hair. Thank you all for watching.